ProfessorBlackOps, you see it, let's get it. National surveillance cameras rolls out, roils privacy activists. Talon, a network of smart connected security cameras developed by Atlanta-based startup and installed by law enforcement around the country, raised surveillance and related privacy concerns. So this is not the first time, won't be the last time. So surveillance from a nation state is always a big topic. While the controversy over the potential overreach of neighborhood and law enforcement video surveillance has focused mainly on Ring. I did a couple videos on that. Ring, they actually get a stipend from law enforcement, then they share your videos with the local law enforcement of your state, county, and local city. An Atlanta-based startup has quietly rolled out its own network of smart surveillance cameras across the country that again raising questions about privacy, the ire of some advocating it, according to the published report. Flock Safety promised to protect neighborhoods with smart cameras with automated license plate recognitions, ALPR technologies that are sold to homeowners associations, business or law enforcement as designed to automatically read vehicle license plates up to 75 miles an hour, day and night up to 75 feet away, according to the company's website. The ostentatious ALRPR, which has been around for years but is gaining new momentum thanks to its integration with smart camera, is aimed at protecting citizens. However, a published report suggesting the flock may be overreaching its wings and has explained to do much more than merely provide a virtual neighborhood watch. Vice Motherboard reported Wednesday that Flock has quietly built an extensive nationwide network of cameras called Talon that is maintained by law enforcement and offer up to 500 million scans of vehicles a month, according to one of the email series of Flock emails obtained by the publication. Motherboard said its reporters viewed hundreds of pages of internal police emails from nearly 20 police departments around the country obtained using public records requests. Moreover, more than 500 police departments and more than 1,000 cities have access to flock cameras, which are not only detecting license plate information, but also people's cars, animals, bicycles, according to information obtained by the publication. The company also boasted that it's collecting evidence that helps police solve 4 or 5 crimes per hour, with administrators of neighborhood cameras networks able to share video data only with law enforcement, but also the homeowners association board or the individual members of the entire neighborhood, according to the report. Is this good intentions? Flock offers 2 types of cameras, one called Sparrow that uploads images to a secure server for only those who have access to the view, shares, and another called Falcon that can use the data collected to automatically alert police if the plate is already on a hot list for potential criminal activity so that it can track vehicles and its occupants. Supporters of the technology and initiative argue trying to help reduce crime and protect neighborhoods is a good thing. Flock Company founder and CEO Garrett largely was inspired to try to eliminate nonviolent crimes while respecting privacy after he himself was a victim of a property crime in an Atlanta neighborhood, according to the website. Langley so far has not responded to any email Thursday by thread posts requesting comments and details about the Flock Talon and the technology and privacy protection. A promotional video on the company website said the research with law enforcement. Flock founders learned that license plate info was a missing link in helping solve nonviolent crime, and they designed the Flock cameras to provide that info accurately and securely. Key selling point to the companies are that they made their smart cameras small and affordable so that both inobstructive and cost-effective for customers. Indeed, Flock's also aware of the privacy issues that its technology can raise, claiming that on its LR crime-solving cameras with privacy protection measures built in. The video explained the concept as a bit further, saying the customer alone has all the access to the camera data, leaving it up to decide what to share with and with whom. But as with any security or privacy expert knows, it's difficult for that type of data to fall into the wrong hands. That's why not everyone is thrilled about the integration of the license plate into the smart surveillance camera for the flock founders and customers. So I'm gonna cut it there. The article will be linked in the description. I'm gonna show this short video. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.
We started Flock to eliminate nonviolent crime, and that's because 87% of crime goes unsolved throughout the US. It's not due to a lack of trying on the law enforcement side. It's because there's a lack of evidence. So we asked police across the nation, what is that critical factor that can help you solve more crime? And we heard time and time again, license plates are the critical missing piece.
70% of major crimes are committed with a vehicle, and license plates give police the lead they need to actually solve crime. And we saw that there was technology on the market that could solve that evidence gap, but the technology was large, very expensive. There was something that could work, but just didn't fit the need. We solved those problems with solar power, integrated cellular, and modern electronics to make the camera small and affordable so we can put this powerful technology in the hands of a regular neighborhood. So after 2.5 years, Flock Safety is in 36 states. We're working with several hundred police departments, and we're helping them solve 4 to 5 crimes an hour.
Privacy is very important to Flock, and we have done a lot to protect privacy of our customers. The consumer has all the access to the data. They can decide if they want to share that with just the HOA board or the residents of the entire community.
We make it really easy for you to pull footage in the event that a crime occurs. Because our solution is web-based, any authorized user can log in from a device that has internet access. Once inside the portal, you simply use our robust filtering features to either filter on date, time, vehicle attributes, or even partial plate number to get right down to the evidence you need in a few clicks. Armed with Flock footage, law enforcement now has the actionable evidence they need to solve crime. Flock cameras can be installed just about anywhere. What differentiates Flock from other automated license plate reading cameras is that we leverage solar plus battery, along with cellular for data communication, eliminating upfront costs.
So a Flock Safety license plate reading camera is a camera that takes pictures of all traffic in front of the camera, but our cameras go the extra step and look for identifying features like color of the vehicle, type of vehicle, make of vehicle, state of the license plate. And these identified features, which we call vehicle fingerprint, help our police customers quickly sort through thousands and thousands of vehicles to find the ones that they need to solve crime.
The great thing about the Flock Safety camera is that it's affordable for any type of neighborhood or community.
Our mission is to eliminate nonviolent crime across the country. We can only do that by working with every neighborhood and every police department throughout the country. So please contact us so we can help you make your community safer.